In recent years, it has become increasingly clear that the cost of moving house is on the rise. With this in mind, homeowners are seeking alternatives to increase their living space without breaking the bank. One such solution is the loft conversion, a cost-effective and practical way to add much-needed space to your home. Converting your loft can not only provide extra room for a bedroom, a home office, or even a playroom for your children, but it can also significantly increase the value of your property. It's a practical solution that offers a wealth of benefits. However, it's not as simple as just deciding to convert your loft and diving straight in. There are various factors to consider, from planning permission to building regulations. Navigating these complexities can be daunting, but fret not. When you choose to work with a professional loft conversion company, they can guide you through the entire process. They ensure your project is completed on time, within budget, and meets all necessary regulations. Whether your property in Basingstoke is a charming traditional build or a sleek modern design, a loft conversion can add a new dimension of functionality and style to your home. It's about transforming unused space into something that not only adds value but also enhances your lifestyle. So why hold back? The opportunity to transform your loft into a stylish, practical, and valuable living area is right at your fingertips. Reach out to a loft conversion specialist in the Basingstoke area today and start planning the space of your dreams. And remember, the world of home renovations is vast and full of potential. To ensure you're always in the loop with the latest tips, tricks, and ideas, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned for more home renovation insights.